Hello friends, my name is Adhan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own real life game. So let's start. So for that you will need one notebook, any rough notebook. You can take any book, but you have to write something in that book, like not a textbook. But it is not rough notebook. Start. So first I have to take one blank page. You have to take one blank page and one pencil. What is even? Just one pencil. So let's start. Now first you have to guess the game name. I am making the game name Bacon. This my friend and me created together. So let's see how we created it. Okay. So first, this is a type of a phone game, but we are trying to play it in real life. So that's why first put it update Bacon. I know it sounds very weird, but update will be capital. No. No need to create it. You have to just like I'm putting game name update. Oh, sorry, I did something wrong. Update bake. In real, I don't know bacon spelling so much. I'm just trying it. Is it okay? So now when we have written it, now you have to first write what will be, like in this game, what will be there. First think like that, for what will be there. Players are like in this game, we think like there will be one person who will be like beating him. Means he'll be always he can. You will be having 5 days. 4 days. So in those 4 days, if like in the first day you have to kill that guy. Okay, means in the first day if he kills you, then the second day will start like that. And if all the days got over, then you'll lose. We have did something like that. So in this game, I'm doing like that. Now you can also think what can be. It's a shooting game, what game, it's a board game, it's a task game. So I'm putting like this. So for that you have to write players, make one square, and in that square write say questions to yourself. Okay, the what will be. First question, what? This is the short form. I'll write what will be there. What will be there? I'm just putting it what. Why are we making it? What you need. What you need. See, what need. Okay, these 3 questions you can write. What need, what is the game, why are you making the game, what you need for that. These are the questions. I'm writing, what is it? I'm writing in short. It is a movie type of thing. It is a Oh, I guess I did wrong. Escaping game means I have to escape the house. And why I'm making? For fun. Or you can write for fun, for playing with your friends, for fun. That will be. What we need? First we need fake keys that we can make those keys. It takes a little bit hard work for the fake keys. Okay. Another ply. Pliers. I don't know so much also spelling about this. Pliers. So I'm just writing pliers. And fake wire so that it can't hurt us. Fake wire made up of clay. So that's why the fake wire. Okay. Now you have to write what are the things. I'm writing what are the keys. What are the keys? Like if it's a shooting game, you can what are the guns? What are the keys? Okay. So now making a square. Okay. Now I'll take one piece of paper and I'll roll it. Paper roll is red key. I'll color it red key. Okay, so you have to write like that. Now what are the pliers? If you are writing, then you can what are the bombs. If it's a shooting game, it's a task game, then you can write what are the wires. It's just you have to just create the game. So in this game also you can kill the bacon, but you have to just find that gun thingy. Okay, writing what are the wires and wire cutter. Okay, I'm writing real wire, fake. Okay, clay wire and then real wire cutter. Okay, so now it's done, and then you have to write players and then those days, how many lives, how many lives okay, it is 4 lives and means equal 4 days, means in this will be counted as days. Okay, so you have to just write all the information, and then when you'll see, now when everybody will see this, they will understand that by this even you can have a creative mind, handwriting skills will also have good, and you can create a game also. In a real life game, you have to just write all the information on there. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe it, like it. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and press the notification bell so that you can't miss my any video. So till that time, thank you. One more thing, my next video is also one good video. My next video is one real life gaming with my friends. That also my new friends that you didn't see. So see you tomorrow when you watch my video. Bye. So till that time, thank you.